Dive into English, mastering prepositions of manner. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering English grammar. Today, we're exploring an essential element of English, prepositions of manner. These are words like with, by, in, and they're vital for expressing how something is done. Let's delve in and make these prepositions your second nature. Prepositions of manner are words that provide details about how something is done. They can tell us how an action is performed, a condition is fulfilled, or even describe the way something moves. Some common examples include with, by, and in. Example: she learns English by reading books. He walked with a limp. Remember, these prepositions are important as they help in expressing a clear picture of the action. The preposition with generally indicates a tool, method, or manner in which an action is performed. Example: I wrote the letter with a pen. She cut the cake with a knife. In these sentences, with shows the tool used to perform an action. The preposition by is commonly used to express the method or means of achieving something. Example: she goes to work by bus. You can improve your vocabulary by reading more. In both sentences, by indicates the method or means used to achieve something. The preposition in is often used to describe a characteristic manner, state, or condition. Example: she wrote in a hurry. He lives in poverty. In these cases, in describes a condition or state. That wraps up our overview of prepositions of manner. Remember, prepositions like with, by, and in add color and specificity to your English, helping you express exactly how something is done. Keep practicing them in your daily English conversations and soon, they'll come naturally to you. I hope you found this video helpful. Tune in next time as we continue our journey into the vast world of English grammar. Until then, happy learning!